If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for?
Yeah guys, I feel like we get
some holes in chicken.
Welcome guys, your boy Jav here. It's a regular day today. Me go buy some oil, because the oil is finished in the house. And then me stop at Jungs, buy some shrimp, or just fly. Come inside of the van. Anyways, I go and stop and buy some things at Jungs and then head back in, you know. So just tag along with me for the day. See what I go on. I'm at thing. No, I don't need to buy a greater meals, I need to buy the shredded material. I can buy the bulk one now. Yeah. So, you know, so I'm bringing the clip on my edge. What that?
Sauce.
I'm gonna need that.
I wish one.
Yeah, go to the talk. Is that about the sauce? Let me pick up some. No, I take a bit. Right here.
Yes, it is.
You know, it's somewhere but I don't remember which part it is. Oh, sit there? You're good, man. What?
2045.
It's a cast wild. A shrimp, run yourself. Power gun general. Then alright, I mean. Alright. Which one of them get it? Rainforest. Two shrimp. Where's that missing? Time I can't drink the tequila now, I buy it now. You don't let me forget, man. Awesome. You don't even like Kong, I pretty like Kong. I do not like. Oh, you know what I buy? When them have pancake. Yeah guys, so I feel like we get everything we want and thing. You see me? A mad thing. Eh?
Take one. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Well, Oh crap, my other camera gone to sleep. Hold on. Yeah, anyway. Welcome to the channel. I have a camera here and I have a camera there. I do not know which one to look in. Okay, I'm looking to the main camera, which is gonna be on YouTube, and this is gonna be on TikTok. Okay, so today I'm making jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. Rasta pasta. Jerk chicken and shrimp rasta pasta. Let me give you a little disclaimer. If I'm moving a certain way in this video or talking, I don't know if you can see my eyes, that I am freaking high. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what caused this. So let's start. So I have my stuff here. I have my shrimp, I have my jerk seasoning, and I have my Alfredo sauce, and I have my pasta and everything, my onion, my sweet pepper, you know, everything you need to make pasta. If you know how to make pasta, yeah. God almighty, what am I going to do every day, God? I'm take up on myself, God. I would love to have some red sweet pepper and yellow sweet pepper or whatever to give it a little color, but I don't have any, so I'm using what I have. So yeah, let's get into it.
No, yes, something.
Okay. So I don't know what it. You fine? Okay, so this is what we have. So we have our onion, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, and I'm planning on doing some garlic cheesy bread. So later on I'm gonna cut up some garlic or whatever to melt with some butter. So yeah, so we're gonna get to the next step, which is getting this ready. So we're gonna wash it and season it up. It's kind of a little bit tough, but we're still gonna work with it. I mean, a shrimp easy for towel, so yeah. So this is our shrimp washed with vinegar. So they look a little bit. The shrimp just look a little bit. I don't hold it in another bag. Right? We're seasoning with some jerk seasoning, some all-purpose, and a little bit of this. I see a knife pot. Oregano, all-purpose, jerk seasoning, and some of this. Damn. Stir that up. And there we have it. So after we're done season this, we're gonna start from the chicken. We're gonna clean it up get that seasoned. So with chicken here, I wanted breast but I didn't get any, so I was settled for them here. So I'm gonna clean them up and season them up and use the air fryer. So after using the air fryer now, everything cooked, I'm gonna cut off every single piece of meat that's on the bones. So, yeah. Georgia?
We are pushing way far.
Okay, so we have the shrimp done, seasoned up, we have the seasoning cut up, and just finished clean up the chicken. So that's what I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you me seasoning up the chicken, and then we're gonna pop the chicken in the air fryer, get that over with, and then mince up it when everything ready. So basically me, I get everything ready so we can start the pasta, the whole process, the whole cheese melting, sauce making, yeah, all of that. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We are at 600 and odd subscribers now. We need to get to 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe right now, okay? And if you like to see more of me, comment down below and let me know, okay? Or I should make my own channel. So yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, so this is our chicken, well clean. I'm not gonna say well clean. Let's throw some bouillon now. Okay, let's get into it. So this is our chicken. So I'll add some of this island spice. Okay, not too much. And some jerk seasoning. And some all-purpose. Like this done. But I don't need no more than we left in the bag, so don't want to overpour it or yeah. Okay, so I don't have anyone videoing me, so you know me have to go pull the buckle. I have to go pull the buckle to get out the seasoning because it's closed. And I don't have anyone near me to pull it, so hold on. Give me a minute there. And we are back. And just drop a few. So, just a bit more. Okay, I think that's it. Gonna rub that in, and then we left it for a couple minutes, and then we drop it in the air fryer. Simple as that. And there we have it. Everything rubbed in. So we're gonna now is use a knife, and we're gonna bore some holes in the chicken. Bore those holes in the chicken. You can do this before you season it, or you can do it after. It doesn't matter. This will make your chicken cook like what it's supposed to cook. No raw chicken around here, and it also gets the flavor in. Alright, so we have everything prepared ready for the pasta. Yeah, for the sauce part. So this is the chicken, this is the shrimps, these are my seasoning, and this is what I need sauce and a little bit of the jerk sauce too. The jerk seasoning, I mean, for the sauce. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I've been drinking. Why I was so tipsy, or look so tipsy in the first part of the video. I mean, it's a little bit left. Guys, if you get this, do not drink it fast. It's a creeper. Okay, so now for the part that I love. This is my air fryer. Yep. And I'm gonna grease the pan, preheat it, then we're gonna put in our chicken. So let's plug this baby in on, and we're gonna put it on bake. You can change it if you want the temperature. I'm gonna put it on 350, and it says if you want to preheat it, you can remove it if you don't want to preheat it, but it's, I mean, you know. So we're gonna preheat it, and it's gonna have a timer on it that's gonna tell us when to add the food when it's ready. So I'm gonna press start. There we go. So it just went off telling me to add food, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pop this off. Wait a minute. Use this fork. And add it in. Part, guys, and then we're gonna put that back in. Just like that. And it's gonna start by itself. The next time it goes off, it's gonna say turn it over or whatever. You know, everybody knows how air fryer works. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. I took a quick shower because I was hella tipsy, and yeah, so I had to take a quick shower. So now we're gonna check on our chicken and see what it's up to. Looks good, coming together. I'm gonna turn these over, and then let it cook on the other side too. Okay, so it's a little bit dark over here, but I'm gonna do the shrimps now. And ting. Alright, so we have a little light in the pot. Still a bit dark. Okay, so we're back. So I'm gonna take these off. The reason why it's so dark is because of the dirt. The water is dirt. So these can come out now. We can add the same fire. That's so good. You put the sweet pepper on the onion. Allow these to cook, and after they cook, I'm gonna add the shrimp to it and take it off the fire. Just let it stay on the stove with heat warm, and then I'm gonna boil our pasta in some water with a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. Alright, so the jerk chicken here, we just taste this, tastes good. Spicy and tastes good, not like. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is shred off the meat off the bone because we don't want no bone. So, but just because we didn't have any breast to use, so we're gonna use these instead. So we're gonna shred off every chicken. That's what we're gonna use in the pasta. Alright, so this is what we have after all that deboning, and this is our little bit of shrimp. Rainforest, what are you doing? At the bag, I'm not even say nothing. I don't know what this. A little bit of saying. Anyway, jerk chicken is busting. It tastes so freaking good, like from last night we sleeping. So we're gonna get into the sauce and we're gonna put on the pasta at the same time. So I decided to switch pot because I feel like it would fit more in this. Alright, so we have this. I'm gonna add in this. I'm gonna add some water in this. Rich. Store it up. Turn on the stove on the sauce. It tastes like you need something, but you know why I'm not going to add anything to it, because I'm going to add the shrimp, and the shrimp has season on it, and then I'm going to add the chicken, and the chicken have season on it, so everything will balance out. So for pasta, I boil. So I'm my dead feet done because this kitchen is hot. So my dead feet done, so can done and whatever, you know, and get out of here. Okay, so our pasta looks like it's done cooking. Stir. Turn up the stove. So the sauce is cooking. So I'm gonna add some cheese. Turn on the stove. Store this up, and then next thing to do is add our shrimp and our chicken. Add our shrimp. First of all, what kind of shrimp are there? I think I need to put teeny one them still. not the big ones. I didn't really look at the bag. Done. This is so good. And it tastes good. Okay guys, so I need your opinion. So I've been wondering if I should start a channel, and I've been wanting to start a channel for a long time. Reason being because I'm not really, if you realize when I'm talking, I'm not really looking at the camera. The reason I would like to start is to be more confident, more outspoken, you know, more comfortable with being in the camera, talking to people, more out there. I want to put myself out there, you know. I've always been closed in, inside girl, you know. Now with the out business, yeah, that's me. So that's the only reason I would start a channel, to be more outspoken, to put myself out here, you know, to be more confident, especially in speaking and telling what's on my mind and telling how I'm feeling, and you know. So what do you guys think? Should I start a channel? The only thing I would be doing on that channel is cooking, mostly cooking, sometimes a little bit of maintenance, like what I do with my daughter, or if I'm going out, so that would basically be it, but mostly cooking, if not cooking alone. So yeah, so guys, drop down below what you think I should do. Do you think I should start my own channel or what? Okay, so I got my little grater and I got some cheese mozzarella. I'm gonna grate that on this board and I'm gonna use it later in the pasta, and I'm also going to use it on my cheesy bread toast. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be my first time making it, so watch a couple videos and I think I can do it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yep, here we have it. Okay, so I'm sweating. I want to make some, I already told you, garlic cheesy bread. So I have some garlic in file paper right here, and I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil on it, and I'm gonna pop it in the air fryer. I saw this on a video and hopefully it works for me. Then we're gonna bake it, and after we bake it, then we're gonna crush it with butter to make the spread, and after that we're gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on it and then pop it in the oven. Wish me luck. Sprinkle. Oh, I think that's enough. I'm gonna file it up and then, you know. gonna grate the rest of the mozzarella. Grate it. And yeah. Take out some butter, put it in a little cup and make that go and sit till that ready. Spray this pan. Take some of this. Spread it on the bread. Spread it. The pan here. Spread it. One more. Yeah, that's it. Here we have it. Move this out of the way. And the cheese. I saw this on TikTok. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Hopefully I am. Oh god. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these in the oven and pray to God it works out. Okay, so this is it. And the cheesy bread. Damn, it looks so good. The reason why it's in a lock-up plate is because my boyfriend still at work, so I'm gonna forget it in this.
Alright guys, I'm starting with dinner already. So I can see before start it, but there it is. Wait, what is this? French toast? You baby? It's like there's mozzarella cheese on it and you toast it and you melt on it. And then this is the shrimp with the jerk chicken and stuff like this. Guys, I'm gonna dig in right now. Why? I'm hungry. So it's got hot.
Yeah, hot. Like this.
I'm gonna taste it high. It's hot. The whole hot. Oh. Hi guys, thanks for watching. You know, I devour this food right now. I have to get back to work. I'm at things. So have a great day. Love you all for the love and support. If you like the video, share the video, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I'm at the way out.